everyone, Muriel here with the Project Share. So it's Sunday, it's a beautiful day outside, and I wanted to come on and show you guys these adorable bottle brush carrots that I finally got a chance to make. I've been wanting to make these for over a year. They are over on the Tim Holtz YouTube channel. The video is called Bottle Brush Carrots, and they are made with the Woodlands that you get from his Ideology collection. So here's the packaging, and you can pick these up at Tuesday morning. I just had 3 bags of them that I dug out. I hoarded them specifically for this project, and they come 5 trees in a pack, and I went ahead and followed his tutorial and made these carrots, and these are absolutely adorable. So what you're going to need is the Woodlands, of course, and then any of your let me just grab a bottle here. Any of your distress spray stains, which I don't have a lot, but the ones I did have I used. So here is his distress stain, spray stains. They come in all colors. This is Twisted Citron. I also use some of my Lindys, right? Not this particular color, but you could use Lindys as well. And then I had from way back some Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist, and this is pink bubblegum. So I just use what I have. I love making this project because, one, I was able to color 15 trees, right? So I used 3 bags of the bottle brush trees, and I was able to go through lots of sprays, which I have so many and I don't get a chance to use them as much. But I did go through some of the newer bottles are a quarter full now. Some of the half bottles are empty. And then some that wouldn't spray, I just chucked. I'm not going to hold them around because the pumps doesn't work anymore on the Tattered Angels, the Glimmer Mist Tattered Angels. So let me go ahead and show you these adorable bottle brush carrots. Again, I just use a variety of colors. You can use whatever color you want. I even went and did purple. Now on the Tim Holtz site, he uses a light lavender, but again, I don't have all of his sprays. I didn't want to go buy all of his sprays. I really wanted to buy what I had. Here is a yellow one, but he has some that are so pastel colored that the carrots are absolutely adorable. So go over to his channel and check it out. You just can Google bottle brush carrots and it will pop up, and you'll just need some raffia, which I'm sure you have from Halloween, and your hot glue gun, and some paper towels. And some of these I tied with some of the jute twine. I picked this up a couple of weeks ago. I showed it in a recent haul. This is from Target Bullseye Spot. And I used just a few. I was just trying to test it out. I wrapped around some of the tops. And I mean, on one of these, I am letting the jute twine hang a little. You can put a charm on it if you wanted to. But I plan on placing these, 1, some home decor downstairs, and then 2, in the Easter baskets that I make. So this cherry basket I have, I wanted to show you this also because this was a Tuesday morning find. They came 2 in a pack, and here is the packaging for it. It's called Craft and Office Storage Nesting Berry Boxes by Crepe Paper, and they were $3.99. So I picked those up at Tuesday morning some time ago. I kept seeing them and decided to just go ahead and get them. So let's get these carrots back in here. But a fun project, you guys. You're going to have some rubber gloves also because the ink will stain, and if it gets on your tabletop, you can always use the magic eraser, which I had to do because some of the spray got onto this table. And this is one of those lifetime banquet tables from Costco, so it will come off, so don't fret about that. So I'm so glad again that I finished that project. So glad. Then we ran over to Target yesterday, did some home decor goodies. I wanted to get because I was there one day, week before last, and I didn't get, but I went back to get these cherry blossom trees. These are the cutest ever. I am putting them upstairs, maybe one downstairs, but they are called just Easter Decor, and they are so cute. You could also, if you wanted to, cover the box with something. I don't know, if you wanted to wrap some of this jute twine around it over and over and over again, if you didn't like the look like this. So I got 2 of those, and they are only $5, but they will last forever. My Easter tree downstairs in my foyer, I have my table decorated. I've had that tree for several years. I just have a few, you know, under 10 Easter decorations, but I've been bringing that tree out for years, and it's lasted so and done so well. So I did also get this string lights. It's battery operated, which because I have no more outlet space on my desk. I mean, I have the computer, 2 monitors, you know, I have the computer, I have a fan, I have a light. I just don't have enough outlet space, so I didn't want to plug in. So I just got these stranded lights, and they look like eggs, so they take batteries. So I'm gonna take these to work and put them along my desk so that I can bring Easter to my desk. These are some dishcloths that they have right now at Target. They have lots of dish towels and dishcloths and spray bottles and table, what are those called? Oh my gosh, the things that go across table runners. So anyway, I got these. I'll be able to identify them because of the words on suds and lather. But I wanted to try them out because I'm always trying to find a good absorbent dish towel and one that's cute. So I got just that pack there, and then 2 frames. This one I'm going to keep it with the quote inside. It says the best time for new beginnings is now. Kind of want to put this on my daughter's desk. So it was only $3, but I thought that was really cute. And then this one here, I got a place to put it in my kitchen. It says Carrot Patch. And that's another thing. The raffia that Tim Holtz used was green. So if you can find green raffia, that's fine. I just kind of stuck with the lighter color because it's what I had in my stash. So whatever works. Okay, so that was my small Target haul. And then Thursday I did run over to Tuesday morning and picked up a few things. They had a truck of stuff come in. Excuse me. And it bought a lot of K & Company, which I was kind of surprised. Especially K & Company stuff that I already have had before. So anyway, the only thing I got K & Company, I think, was this pack of layered accents. It's from the Kelly Panacci collection, eclectic layered accents. Now, I used to have this paper pad. I still might, because I kind of hoarded at least 4 of my K & Company paper pads. I literally just put them away. They were double-sided. You know, K & Company always have good paper. And I believe I do have this eclectic paper pad, but I like some of the images in there. They're all dimensional. So I saw that camera and I was just stuck with that. So this was only $1.49. They had some Jolie's products. So I got a pack of these white flowers because they're flat and they have the yellow centers, which are cute. And for making cards that need to go in envelopes, they would be perfect. So I got them in this pink, and this is like 4 shades. So you have the soft peach, pink, you have like a red, and then a purple. And this, again, has the light blue, a little more teal blue, and then these denim blues. And these were $1.99 each. And then this one pack here I thought that was really, really cute. I don't know why, but it kind of gave me a confetti feel from Maggie Holmes. And I love the fact that it has that really crystally looking center on those too. So again, $1.99, so I just got those. And then these are some dimensional travel stickers. So they look like postage stamps, but so cute. There's one with the carousel. There's some beach themes. There's some luggage. Poolside, like the ocean with the, what is that thing? Oh my God, I can't think of it. That dolphin. So really cute. Big city. So, you know, these could be used for different ways. Here's mountain country. So I got 2 packs of these, and again, they are dimensional, and they have that huge sticker on the back, so when they get stuck on, they're going to stay on. Okay, then I found this by Jolie's. These are called journaling cards, but I think I'm going to use these on a gift bag. So you have this cute balloon that says just for you. It is a shaker balloon. It has the bows at the end of this twine, and then the other side has it's your special day. Then this one here is just a bow, like a wrapped up gift, and this one is it's something today. I guess you can fill that in. Oh, like Muriel is 29 today. Cute. And then this one has this big yummy cake on it, which I thought was adorable, and has the banner with the felt letters that says happy birthday, and on the back, top 5 things to celebrate. So and this was $1.99 as well, so I'm thinking that a altered birthday bag is going to be forthcoming with this item here. Then I found these layered chipboard stickers by Bo Bunny as 7 pieces, and the only reason why I got this is because I watch Polly Paper Studio, and she does some fantastic things, and she has a series where she makes cards, 1 using leftover scraps, and then 2 she's using dollar store stickers. And Dollar Tree has some really cool stickers. I don't tend to buy them, but it kind of made me think of this here. So I thought I would find me a paper pad that speaks to me and then use these. And of course, when I do make the cards, I will definitely bring them so you can see. These are by Pebbles. These are just some phrases, and I'm going to put these away for the fall because it's all about gratitude and thanks and harvest and hello there, oh happy day, falling leaves, and the colors just really reek of fall. So this was $1.19. And then K & Company had these butterflies, and the reason why I got these is because I saw something on the back of one of these. They had a demonstration of a card, and I said I have to make that card, but mine will be with butterflies. So if I find it, I will show you. So these are really pretty. They are by Susan Wingett. They're called pillow stickers, but really pretty. I don't know what collection they kind of resemble, but they're from 2013, but cute. Then I found the Project Life kit here, and this is the Maggie Holmes. Oh goodness, something fell downstairs. So this is a bunch of cards, enough cards to complete an entire 12 by 12 scrapbook. So they're 4 by 6 and 3 by 4 cards. Kind of shows you a little bit on the back what they look like. So something definitely worth keeping, having in your collection. So I can't wait to pull these out to make some Project Life pocket letters. Then I got a paper pad, Sweet and Sassy. Now I do have this paper pad in a 6 by 6, and it's just a smaller version of this, but I really looked at this and saw, I love those Chinese cookies there that were made. Of course, the Chinese box was made too, so I may have to pull out my Cricut for that, because I think I have something on my Artiste little tool. And you can see they altered a clock, and they made a banner, and just all of that really cute. So the papers here are just that, Sweet and Sassy. It also has lots of sassy sayings on it. Really cute. There are some 4 by 6 journaling cards. Look at this. I'm bored, boring, bored, so bored. And then they have these little phrases. I dare you. Nope. Sometimes I made myself. Whoop-de-doo. So really cute. And this is what they kind of use, I think, to make those Chinese cookies with. You just make the cookie and then pull out the little fortune. So really cool. Will also be cute for just some envelopes. You know, I'm always looking for plain paper, but cute paper to match my cards. So this has lots of good colors. That's really cute there with the emoji faces. Okay, so this is Sweet and Sassy with some gold foil by DCWV. And then this one here was Cartographer. Really, really nice. Not, it reminds me of something that G45 came out with, and I used it to alter some bottles. I think I use it, maybe I use a Tim Holtz collection, but I altered these bottles here. These are from Target, the bottles, and I just used some various papers, some flat flowers, and then put some stuff on top here. And it kind of reminded me of this paper, but I definitely will use this paper for making envelopes because I saw this right here and it made me think. But it's all, oh, did I not open it? It's all kind of world traveled. So half the sheets have foil on them, which is always pretty. So it's just a variety. They're single-sided. But how pretty is that? Just some text writing. So I thought these would be cute, beautiful for envelope or inside liners. And I haven't used my inside liner templates in a long time, so I need to kind of pull those out and just make some standard envelopes, especially for the summer months, because it's all about travel. People are always going here, going there, and I just think an envelope that I send out, whether it's saying hello, happy summer, happy birthday, with a travel kind of destination envelope, will be cute. And then it repeats itself. So this one again is called Cartographer. It's by DCWV2. So that is my haul, you guys. So just a little bit of stuff. I finally finished the bottle brush trees today. I am so excited and happy about these. I hope you tried to make some really fun project to do. And I'm going to be, again, putting them in some baskets with some Easter candy. And they can be used as a decor for your tier tray, or just put it on your table with your other Easter stuff. So again, check out his video by Tim Holtz. He's the greatest, as you know. And until my next video, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.